Picture this, no? The year was 2017 and nasa Star Magic All-Star Game si Daniel Padilla at si JC De Vera. During nung game, no, nagkaroon ng physical altercation silang dalawa. Tapos na sana. Pero kaso, enter Paul Salas. Hindi siya kasama sa original na away, pero nag-volunteer siya maging sports critic. You know, si Diane Castillejo was shaking her boots, girl! Kasi sa isang Facebook comment, si Paul Salas said, "Ha ha ha ha, curry na curry ba?" At doon mga be, no, nag-evolve to from just a Twitter feud into the Star Magic intramurals na ito, no? Ang ganda! Nung narinig to, no, ng mga bading, no, sa Star Magic, nagde-design na sila ng jersey! Then si Daniel, no, replied with a tweet.
Seryoso ba to, mga tol?
And then he released, no, the shortest subpoena in Philippine history when he tweeted at Paul Andre Salas, no, "Ano? Sakot! Hindi to tweet, no? Ito ay isang barangay tanon nagkakatok. Ano? Sakot!" At you know what? Sumagot si Paul, no? Sabi niya, "G, sked tayo ng court." My God, no? This was the first Twitter feud, no, na may venue coordination. So after all that, this was actually the most anticipated basketball game in Philippine history that never was, no? Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.